What's up, guys? This is Shane. I'm redoing this video a little bit. Thought I'd add some narration, add a little bit of zoom effect so you can see my kills better. So right now, it's just at the start of the game. Everybody's gathered around. Game's going to begin soon.
7-Eleven, that area. Ready?
Here we go. I head up towards a travel agency. Lots of BBs flying around right now.
I'm gonna come around.
I decided travel agency might be a little too hot right now, so I dip into 7-Eleven. I know there's a nice little dark corner over to the left. I don't think anybody saw me come in there, so I look down the long hallway, see a couple guys behind the cars, immediately get one. Waiting for the other guy to poke his head out. And I get him too.
Chris, you can come up to here. Come out and to the right, behind that table. There's a guy right there, Chris. To our right, to our right. Right there.
Gun I'm using is a short-barreled GMP
one more same spot.
M4.
One more same spot.
Sight mark, red dot sight on it.
There
Shoots
they come,
about 350 FPS. Perfect for the indoor environment.
Gun hit. There's one on the walkways. Ricochet. A lot of ricochets.
Alright, so that room was too hot. Thought I'd check this hallway. I look over, I immediately see a guy. Look down further, I see some more legs running down there. I start shooting, but I don't think I get anybody.
Hit! 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 Coming out!
But one of them gets me. So we get one respawn in this game. I head back to about the same area that I was. Look around the corner, see a friendly player. What's up, Carlos?
Yeah. I see him.
Try to shoot over his head down there. I don't know if I hit anybody or not. I don't think so.
Coming around, coming around. Right behind you. I'm across in front.
Go back to my little corner. Look down there. Same guy sitting in the same spot. I get him again. And his buddy. Kid pops up around that corner. I snag him. I see movement in the doorway. Look over there. 2 quick kills. And you can't see it too well here, but I look through the window now. The doorway guys are leaving, but there's a kid poking his head out, and I tag his head. And that about does it. I think that's about 11 or 12 kills in this game.
I think that's new. I don't remember. Oh shit, there's a guy in the cars out here.
Right about here I get shot for the second time, so I'm out.
Oh, hit!